Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 xDrive M Sport Edition in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 xDrive in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This is the M Sport Edition, a special edition for Canada, which includes a specific set of options. And we're gonna do a little lap all the way around the car. I can see this one already has the winter tire package on it. And this special edition is available in Brooklyn Gray, Black Sapphire Metallic, or Alpine White, which is kind of the three choices you normally have on our M Sport editions, whether it's X5, X3, or even X4. So now that we've done this lap all the way around the car, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got the beautiful Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This is a pretty popular color, and it's been here since 2021. We do consider this more of an M color, so you can't get this color unless you have M Sport. So just pressed unlock, we got the kidney grills lit up. DRLs are on. I'm just going to press and hold panic on the key for pathway lighting. So we got the full low beam system on there. That looks sweet. We've got the lines on the hood coming down lengthwise on either side. We have the BMW Rondell up front, illuminating kidney grille with the vertical and diagonal slats. We also have the split chin down here. And this section have active grille shutters, so those can open if the car needs to breathe. And there's some functional air ducts on either side here as well. So front end looks really nice. If we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the BMW LED headlights. So we do have some light coming through the sides here, and the double stacked L shapes, and low beam system on. You get that headlight on there as well, which looks awesome. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch Y-spoke 1035 M wheels in midnight gray. But we've got some winter tires on here, and we have the red M Sport brake back there as well, which looks really good. And we have body colored rocker panel because this is the M Sport model. And because we've got that rocker panel, there is also an M welcome light carpet, as you can see. We also have body colored side mirrors with turn signal and side camera, so that should tell you right away that we've got the 360 cam option. We have the glass roof, black roof rails, side profile view. We've also got the black window surrounds, and this car was tinted 35%. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front door handles. There's your rear 19-inch winter wheel, Hofmeister kink, new style antenna, spoiler up top. And if we come around to the back here, you'll see that we have the X-shaped tail lights. We've got the rear wiper arm here. And if you take a closer look at these tail lights, more crisscross patterns on the side. BMW illuminates there as well, which is a nice little detail. And from the back, you can see that we have some vertical reflectors on the widest sections. Big diffuser back here with no visible exhaust tips, but here's the muffler below. So we do have a single exit exhaust here. Oh, I think the car thought my camera was me kicking the foot, but I have the key here with me. So had I kicked my foot, this would have opened up just like that. We have a cargo cover here to hide your contents. There's a button on either side you can press to release the cargo cover. To put the cargo cover back in, you just press it forward so you don't see orange on either side. If I lift this up, we have some carpeted mats. There's a section here where you can actually store the cargo cover. There's also the tire inflator kit plus, which is in this round one here, and a designated spot in here for wheel lock key and tow hook. We also have a grocery bag hanger, 12-volt plug, another grocery bag hanger over here, and you can see it's illuminated, and there's a little netted area on that side. Up top, a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can definitely just kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Perfect. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side. connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise 1 click. There's a spot to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click. You can just shut the door. Now, if I open up the rear door, you'll see that we have rear sunshades. We have the black Alcantara Veganza interior with the M colors on the stitching, and release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center with some cup holders, and up top there's a button here that you can press to release the center pass-through. So the button is just right there. And up top we also have glass roof, reading lights, handle, coat hanger. We also have some pockets on the back of each front seat. There's your winter mat with some illumination and some ventilation there. We also have some rear vents. We also have rear climate controls here with heated seats for the 2 outer positions, so this screen will illuminate once the car is actually on. And we have 2 USB Type-C charging ports down here as well, which is really nice. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the front door next. Okay, so if we approach from the passenger side, welcome light carpet down here. We have some ambient light in here, door handle, unlock lock, open or close that vent over there, window switch, pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension, and just take a look at these seats. Alcantara at the top here, tricolor stitching, headrest also manually adjusts. And over here we've got some soft touch materials, stitching going across the dash. Down here there's a button for your illuminating glove box. We've got turquoise ambient lights in here, iDrive 9 on the curved display, and down here wireless charger, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and we've got your cup holders, glass push start button, glass iDrive controller, volume wheel is here, and if I lift this up, you have a spot down here for a 12-volt plug. So now that we've had a chance to look through all this, let's shut this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we go to the driver door, open that up, you'll see we have Harman Kardon, ambient lights, unlock lock, open or close the vent, memory seats, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You can press that to open, pull and hold to close while the key's inside. Some pockets down here, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And let's just take a moment to slide open the sunshade. And while that's happening, you can see we have the head-up display up here. We have the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock. And this package does include the active cruise control with stop and go, which is pretty handy. And all the self-parking stuff is here too. And up top, we do have the interior camera, sunroof controls, reading lights, and there's your rear view camera with the garage door openers. If I pull this down, you'll see that we have the visor with the light that turns on with the mirror. And now that we've had a chance to look in the front seating area, let's look down here. So down here, you just have to feel for it, but this is your hood release, and it's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front of the vehicle, we just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo, 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We have a positive battery terminal here. We have a negative battery terminal there. And we have a washer fluid place over here. And we've got the strut bars for rigidity. And up top here, you'll see BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just throw her down. Beautiful. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. Car looks great. And with the new iX3 on its way, I think it'll be interesting to have both the gas and electric versions in our showroom at the same time. And I've got the key with me, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that is the remote engine start, cold start sound. And you can see the lights lit up properly this way as well. And I'm gonna 1, 2, 3 again to shut it off. And it should need some air. So we should see that open up. So that's what it looks like with everything opened up. And probably once it's got a little bit of air, it's gonna shut it down again. But, and there it is. So how do you like the X330 xDrive M Sport Edition in Brooklyn Gray Metallic? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X330 xDrive M Sport Edition in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.